Are you wondering if project management is really necessary? By the end of this video, I'm going to give you all the key elements on the importance of project management so you don't waste time, resource, budgets, or anything else because your projects are not run properly. And if you want to become a project ninja, stay tuned to the end of this video where I'm going to share with you on how you can get your hands on a checklist on why projects fail. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. For the best career and project management advice, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and a new video is going to come to you every Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to give you a full breakdown on the importance of project management, because this is something that if you are in any industry whatsoever, having successfully run projects are going to ensure that your organization is successful. So if you're excited about this, give this video a thumbs up and let's get to it. Enables strategic alignment. Projects are really important to organizations. Why? Because most of them have been birthed out of strategic alignment. There's goals and strategies that organizations want to have implemented. And the best way to ensure that this is successfully done is to have someone who's a PMP, a project manager, a project lead, run the project. You just don't do this willy-nilly. And so understanding that the importance of project management is a pure correlation to enabling strategic initiatives. Increases efficiency. And I mean this both in time and in resources. Because with project management, what it does is it ensures that everyone is following things in a standardized, very thought out, methodical approach. And if everyone is doing this, it ensures that every project is going to be going through the same sort of internal checklist to ensure its success. But not only that, if by chance you have team members or project managers that for whatever reason have to leave a project, perhaps they're sick, maybe they won the lottery, oh my goodness, good for them, not good for you, then you can have other people jump in because it's the same standard methodology that everyone is using. Provides exciting opportunities. So what do I mean by this? Well, if we really think about it, I'm going to break it down extremely simplistically. Businesses really have two paths. They have the product and service that everyone is working on, it's the given, but then you also have the special projects, all of that strategic alignment stuff. So if you have people in your organization who are just doing their daily job, it's really cool and very exciting when you can get subject matter experts involved in other types of projects. And if they're run really well and they're strategic and initiative, then guess what? It provides excitement. Another way for you to retain people, because they're not just doing the daily things that they are supposed to do based on a job description. They get to do some exciting stuff within your organization because you actually are labeling it as such, the special projects. Ensures focus and direction. So companies who get the importance of project management understand that by really embracing project management principles and ensuring that that's done is going to make sure that everything that they work on has focus and direction. Now that's going to become important when things get busy, that you're not sidetracked. So project management allows for everyone to stay on track and actually bring to fruition what it is that everyone originally started out with. Ensures proper planning. Okay, can you imagine if you had these really amazing strategic initiatives that you decided to call projects, fantastic, but everyone did it their own way and didn't share information and you didn't have anyone really leading it? Oh my goodness, it'd be a mess. Wait a minute, does that sound familiar? Okay, that's the importance of project management. And so it allows for you to have proper planning. It allows, because of the methodology, to ensure that you're looking at all the critical things. Everything from budgets and resource and timelines to action plans to risk management, even change control, because that's something that really does kind of escape when it comes to projects and then can lead to problems down the road. Now that you know the importance of project management, it is time for you to become a project ninja. Go to the link below and grab this checklist. It's going to tell you the top 10 failures for projects, something that you do not want to go down this road. So check it out here so you can get all the answers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all the professionals that you know. Now, if you've ever come across where your organization does not know anything about project management, let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Till the next time, see you in the next video.